My name is Alex. Today I'm playing a how to make a ghosted with coins in Geometry Dash. First, let's go editor. Let's create and ghost ship. First, what happened? The internet connection. Okay, delete this one. This is coin. Now let's get this one. Now let's get add coin. Let's get add a coin LBG. First, let's add a. Now let's get a 10, 11, 12, 35, 35. Okay. 37, 37, and now the detail of 38, and add this 37 in here, and yellow, and detail. Now let's make this one, this right, and group ID, item ID of 1, group ID of get a 52. This SFX of this SFX added object, spawn trigger and multi-trigger, and root KKPE pig. Let's go to the objects, I pickups. Let's get a Flutter pickups. Now like concave game pickup 9. Now let's get this one and this one. Copy and paste. So I'm correct. Save and exit. This level and this one on Blood Concrete. Thank you. Bye everyone. See you soon.